Hello folks, and welcome back to my channel, the Scottish Model Railway Guy. Thank you for coming back. What are we going to be looking at today? Well, when you turn this round, you may have saw the video where I introduced this hedge, and I've now weathered it a bit along here. I've put some moss along there, and if I come round here, you can see the flowers coming in. Back in town, it's almost complete over there. So what we're looking at is to change this area from this to this. Now, how did I do that? Well, there's a series of Metcalfe model builds that I've done in the past. You can see this fantastic little Metcalfe workers cottage that I've put together just today. The glue's still drying on that. I hope you like it, and you can see the Metcalfe signal box there, along with the town centre, pubs, shops, that sort of thing. And I think it looks brilliant. I think it's worth the effort. Don't get me wrong, it does take a wee while to do it, but if you want to see how I did it, hang on. If you don't want to miss anything like this, please do subscribe. There's always more content coming. And yes, I'm going to skip to hyperlapse now, and you can see how that goes, and then we'll have another look. So that was that, and that is the Metcalfe build. Now what I'm going to do is, the pack itself comes with 2 workers' cottages, and I think if I put both in, it will look really, really good. Over in that corner, it needs to busy up a wee bit, and it needs to begin to look like a proper town, so that it complements this town centre over here, and everything else that's going on. Got some unfinished hills here that you'll see coming together soon, but yeah. The whole purpose of this one was to begin to bring the first home in the area to fruit, and I think it's worked. It needs a garden, it needs some walls, that sort of stuff, to make it a bit more what you would expect. And if you look at how I've done this, now here's why I've done this. This fence is here because when the loco takes the corner, I don't want to get too shaky, it's going to put you all off, but I'm going to try and hold it now. When the loco takes the corner, there was a real chance it was going to hit hedge if I put it there. So I thought, right, I can't put hedge there, I'd need to set it back. What I did instead was I put a fence up and then moved the signal box over to there, so it was completely segregated, but it's still got a view of the trackside. I think it works. But I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, back to the subject. Hope you enjoyed that build. I think it looks great. I'd like to hear your comments. If you've never been here before, please do subscribe. There's more content coming like this all the time. So thank you for visiting, and see you again.